Hello mga Mima! Today I'm wearing my TikTok top and then Uniqlo pants. That's dark blue, navy blue I think. And then blue top and then dark cream square hijab. And then that's just a square hijab and then I fold it into a triangle and then nung ginamit ko siya uneven yung pagkakalagay ko kasi nga I have to tie the other side para magawa yung pattern na yan kasi nga ifo-fold ko nga siya. And then hindi ko hinila ko kasi nga para hindi masyadong mahaba yung ito. Tapos I wear a dark pearl pin and also a butterfly pin, and then my ball necklace of course from my favorite shop, and then I'm wearing the V ring earlier and the teardrop ring earlier also, the teardrop ring, and then I'm wearing also my eternity ring earlier with crystals, eternity ring, and a flat gold ring earlier also. Not that other ring because I'll just got that today. And other thing, I also wear my black bracelet together with my ecru and my love bangle, and that's in a shade in a gold settings. So ayun, today we went to Arena Blanco to attend a wedding. Actually, nagwed na sila nung nakasal na sila yesterday in Basilan. Kasi yung girl is from Basilan. And then yung guy is from Arena Blanco, which is this, I think second cousin. Second cousin mo yung groom, Rang? Second cousin ng husband ko yung groom. Kaya pumunta kami to attend. Yun. So today yung celebration nila dito naman sa side ng groom kasi yesterday dun sa side ng girl which is sa Isabela Basilan. So yun. Kanina may party I will also post another video for that the party we call it pangalay tausog. Meron ding hashtag na pangalay tausog because they are doing this dance. It's a native dance of tausog and adapted by so many tribes na rin gumagawa ng ganun. And then meron itong banda na sila yung tinatawag na ang tawag sa kanila lang organ ang tawag sa kanila. So they are hired I think for a day until night or until the next day, depende yun. Kasi usually, after the wedding, meron talaga, traditionally actually, na pupunta talaga yung mga tao to watch the banda. Parang kung sa atin banda. Pero kung sa kanila is an organ ang tawag. Parang they are saying that go there, there's an organ there. Parang pwedeng sabihin natin is an action word na organ kasi nag-organ sila. Or ang tawag sa mga parang pag-organan dito, organ dito. It's like merong organ doon. Merong nag-organ doon. Parang gano'n. They sing a fast beat and then people or like sometimes a girl or a boy who wants to dance, they are allowed to dance, and then people will make panji. They call it panji because, like for example, you have a 100 bill. Wait, I'll get 100 bill if I have. For example, this 500 bill. You fold it like that, and then they are doing like that. They call this pangalay, and then you will put it in their finger, and then they'll do their pangalay. They call it panji, and people prepare cash for that. Like for us, nagpa-change kami ng tig 100 and then 500, meron din. So yun ang ginagawa doon. Tradition yun usually nung kami kinasal, way back 2009, nagkaroon kami ng, ang tawag naman doon is pagkulay-hulay. They call it na, parang nangyayari doon, after the wedding, merong happenings between the side of the girl and the side of the bride and the side of the groom. Nandun lahat, parang to celebrate, other than just eating with the other friends na hindi naman sobrang close. So, yung nandun sa paghulay is yung mga close relatives and friends. And then they are asked to dance. And nung kami, we are asked to dance as bride and groom. But, unfortunately, umulan. So, hindi natuloy. So, I was saved by the ulan. Hindi ako nakapag pangalay that time. Kanina naman, yung groom lang yung nagpangalay. Yung bride, hindi. Ayaw niya, nahihiya siya. Kasi, she is not from Arena Blanco. Kasi nga, she's from Isabela, Basilan. So, yun yung nangyari kanina. And then after the pangalay of the groom, pahingahin mo na sila. And then later tonight, magkakaroon ng another set na naman for the band na yun nga, magpangalay ang tawag. And or kanina, merong nag-post sa Reels na kumakanta sila like ng mga love songs to serenade the guest and also the bride and the groom. Yun yung basic explanation nun. Pero they call it mag-organ or maghulay. Sometimes, way back before, meron din ang tawag is malam. Malam is when before the wedding night. For example, tomorrow yung wedding. The night before, merong malam. Kasi before talaga, ang mga kasal is sa bahay. So, people come and go and they celebrate and they stay up late to cook. Thank you. Bye!